Coming to the causes of air pollution. Causes of air pollution. Several human activities have been resulting in the release of air pollutants. For example, petrol and diesel combustion. Petrol and diesel combustion. The fuel used for vehicles, when it undergoes combustion, releases carbon dioxide as well as carbon monoxide. Two major carbon containing compounds that function as air pollutants. This has been one of the major sources of air pollution. Then industrial effluents. Many industries release byproducts in a gaseous state. You would have observed a thick black smoke coming out of the industrial chimneys. So these effluents mostly contain oxides of carbon, sulfur and nitrogen in varying proportions. Then one of the common situations that we observe is burning of the waste. You would have seen local authorities setting fire to the collected waste, garbage. That is called waste incineration. Waste incineration is a source of carbon monoxide particularly. So petrol and diesel combustion, industrial effluents, waste incineration, these are the major sources of air pollution. Apart from this, burning of crackers, which also releases carbon containing compounds. and many other suspended particulate matter. Cigarette smoke. Cigarette smoking is also a source of air pollution, because apart from various compounds related to nicotine, cigarette smoking also releases carbon monoxide. So these are some of the activities by which carbon, nitrogen and sulfur containing compounds, suspended particulate matter, even photochemical accidents, volatile organic compounds gain entry into atmosphere, causing serious air pollution.